Hello and welcome to this Alphacam tips and tricks video. In this video we are going to look at the Parametric Sketcher within Alphacam. Parametric Sketcher is a geometry creation tool that enables parameterized shapes, drawings and parts to be created. The Parametric Sketcher icons can be seen in the geometry ribbon, where new sketches can be set up and existing saved sketches can be ran. To demonstrate Parametric Sketcher, we are going to create a new geometry. Once we launch the Parametric Sketcher, we can see we have several default drawing commands with a number of definable size variables. For this example, we are going to create a door style with an inset border. Let's first define the variables: length, width, thickness, corner radius, border, arch height. Now, using these variables for our sizes, we are going to draw the door. On the screen we can see and edit the drawing features we have added. Once you have completed the part configuration, simply save the parametric sketch and run the drawing to generate the part on the screen. To create a new part with the same features, simply click Run Parametric Sketcher and select the parametric file you have defined. Type in your sizes you wish to change. Any updates can be seen in the side panel. Once you are happy with the changes, run the file to generate it on screen. The Parametric Sketcher can be used to quickly draw components that are the same, however vary in size. We hope you found this tip helpful as you continue to use Alphacam. Happy programming!